If you are tired of using an iron and a separate steamer, you're absolutely going to love this. This is an iron and steamer all in one. I'm going to answer all your questions, show you what comes in the box, and then at the very end, we're going to take the steamer to this very wrinkly shirt over here so you can see the results of this thing. So right off the bat, this is what we got going on here. So we're going to get a mitt right over here. It comes with a mitt. Comes with this cup right over here. So it's going to be your water cup. I like the fact that it comes with a water spout and it has a nice little spout over there. This right over here is going to be the iron. And then all you have to do to get the steamer is we're just going to hit this block button right over here. You'll see it right behind there. If we push that just like that, this is going to pop off. And now we have our steamer right over here. So iron piece right over here. Steamer over here. So we get this nice little pad over here, and then we get this nice little brush. We get instructions. Pretty much very simple to set up out of the box. A couple of people wanted to know, can this be used on silk? It can be used on silk, which is really nice. A couple other people want to know, is it portable? It is on this cord right over here. You got a really nice long cord here. So I think it is portable. Yeah, it's very lightweight. It weighs less than 4 pounds, which is really, really nice. You'll see here just a really nice handle over here as well. And it does has an auto off. So if it's just sitting idle for 8 minutes, it's going to shut off. So you don't have to worry about that. Now let's get some water in here. So what we're going to do here, we're going to push just like that. This is going to pop out just like that. Really nice over here on the water. Plenty of room in here. So we're just going to take that spout right over here. We're going to dump this right into there. Just like that. So this is about what a full cup of water would get for you. Plenty just to steam one shirt. If you want to do more, maybe you do about 2 cups of water. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pop it in just like this. Make sure it is locked in. You don't wanna push down on this again. We're gonna plug it in and then we're gonna go steam this shirt. All right, so we have this plugged in, maybe a minute, 2 minutes. You'll see here we got a nice LED kind of display over here. In order to get the steaming process started, we're gonna hit this button right over here. You're gonna see it starts to kind of come out over here. And then there's another setting right over there that's gonna put out more steam just like this. And then you're just gonna go easy on your garment just like that. Works really, really nice and really quickly. Jesus, I can already see a huge difference just using this right over here. Let's take a, so if you wanna kind of stop it, we're just gonna hit that button again right over here. So let's take kind of a closer look over here. You can see this side over, you could definitely notice a difference right over here. Obviously this side right here is the one that was just steamed. This side over here, still very wrinkled. And you could just see right over here how easy this was to use. Literally just gonna hit this. So this is gonna be the one setting right over here. And you could just go easy just like that. I am not a professional steamer or anything like that. So this is perfect for me because I usually have no idea what I'm doing. And that's just the one setting right over there. And then if you want it to stop again, we're just gonna hit that button right over there. And that is for kind of the steam function right over there. Now, if you wanted to iron instead, you're just gonna pop this piece on top, and then we use the same functionality over here as well. I really like the fact that this doesn't leak at all, which is really, really nice, and it is pretty nice. I do like the fact that you have different steam over here as well. I really don't like kind of like irons and stuff like that that has like a dial that goes up and down. Again, if you wanted to kind of take off the iron part here, we're just gonna pop that down just like that, and then we got the steam going. You could see how much steam was put off. Literally, it was just sitting here for about a minute. So really, really nice. Again, if you are looking for a great iron steamer that's super portable, lightweight, this is less than 4 pounds. You could also do silk with this as well. has the auto shut off. If it's just sitting here for 8 minutes, it will shut off automatically. So absolutely awesome. If you're tired of using an iron and a steamer, just get yourself a 2-in-1. A huge thanks to the brand for sending me this. I cannot wait to use this pretty much all summer long and get the wrinkles out of shirts like this.